Hey guys, Maggie here from Living to Rome. So recently I've started seeing a lot more podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, and just about everything in between dedicated to us discovering our purpose. Now, I don't exactly believe people when they say that if you're really passionate about something, that it's just naturally going to make you money overnight. So if you're really passionate about making sculptures of famous people out of butter, it may never make you a millionaire. Although I guess it could. I mean, with the right marketing, anything's possible, right? The point is, you still have to put in the hard work to make passion and profit work well together. So in this video, I'm going to show you something really easy that you can do right now with just a few sticky notes and a pen that'll help you to get the most out of life going forward. Let's do it. So they estimate that every person has about 80,000 hours that they spend in their career. That is a crap load of time to spend in a career that is the wrong career for you or one that you hate. So if your passions and profit don't align, are we all just a little bit screwed then? Not at all. The Japanese have us sorted when it comes to this dilemma with a concept that they call Ikigai, which roughly translates to your reason for being. And it's what they believe to be the secret to our happiness. So the easiest way that I found to determine what your Ikigai is to get a little bit visual with it. So grab sticky notes in 4 different colors and a pen, and I'll show you how it's done. On one color, you need to write all the things that you're really passionate about. This can be everything from computers to playing with your dog. The more the better, and stick them up on the wall. On the second color, write all the things that you're really good at. Some of these things might overlap with the previous sticky notes, and that's great. Just write them again on the second color stickies. Now stick them up on the wall just below and to the left of the previous notes. On the third color, write down things that you can earn money from. This is so specific to you and your skills. So in the previous category, you might have said that you can fit 40 almonds in your mouth, but unless someone will pay you good money for this skill, it doesn't belong in this category. Now stick these up on the wall at the very bottom. The fourth color is reserved for the things which the world needs. So write down any ways in which you could benefit the world and stick them up on the wall to the right. Now hopefully you will have some areas where all 4 color sticky notes will overlap, and this is what's going to help you to determine your direction in your career and in your life in general. So here then are the 4 questions that my high school guidance counselor definitely should have asked me when I told her what I wanted to do with my life. Are you passionate about it? Are you good at it? Will it make you decent money? And is it something that the world needs? Now, if this exercise wasn't the easiest thing in the world for you and you don't have this great purpose that you've come out of it with, that's totally fine as well. But if you want to help yourself get there, I do have some additional tips that you can try. Explore, go out into the world, go outside of your daily routine. If you don't change something, nothing will ever change. So go and meet as many new people as you can on all different career paths. And eventually you might meet somebody who will give you some clarity on what it is that you're supposed to be doing or what it is that you enjoy. Go join a pottery club, do stand-up comedy, do one thing at least once a week that scares the crap out of you. Also, get really good at something that makes the world a better place. So what you should be striving for is to find achievement and meaning in everything that you do. And finally, try to be really flexible with the skills that you learn. 10 years ago, you definitely weren't passionate about the same things you are now. And 10 years from now, you definitely won't be passionate about the same things you are now either. So try and leave it open-ended. Learn a skill that is flexible and that can evolve as you evolve. Alright guys, so I hope that really helps you to find the right balance between passion, purpose, and profit in your life. And if you like this video, remember to like it, share it, and subscribe for more from us here at Living to Rome. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep creating the life you love.